It is given that for a Reynolds number which is greater than 2000, the flow of liquid is turbulent. For Reynolds number greater than 2000, we can say that the flow of fluid is basically turbulent, or it is an unsteady flow. So that is correct. And the inertial forces are dominate compared to the viscous force at such a high Reynolds number. We know that the Reynolds number is basically defined as the ratio of inertial force divided by the viscous force per unit area. So if Reynolds number is more, it indicates that the inertial forces are more as compared to that of viscous forces. So we can say that the reason is also correct, and it is the correct explanation for that assertion. So we can say that option A is correct.